What is this world coming to? What is it coming to? Domestic violence never ends. Tiffanie Lucas, age 32, on November 8th, 2023, in Shepherdsville, Kentucky. That's about 20 miles south of Louisville, Kentucky. This killer mom charged with shooting to death her two sons, ages 9 and 6 years old. What do you do with a mom like this? And the justice system has the nerve to give her a possible bail of $2 million. Why does she have a bail? Something's wrong here in the USA. God bless the two boys and God bless the family. Damn.
She knows what she did because she's evil. She showed no emotion. She shows no emotion.
Lucas is currently being held on a $2 million bond.
She needs to get what she deserves.
Why does this killer mom, why does she even have a bail? She shouldn't have a bail.
In Bullitt County.
Tiffanie Lucas is charged with 2 counts of murder. Wave News reporter Sean Bowdy explains what she told police and why other family members aren't buying her explanation for the shooting.
A packed courthouse here in Bullitt County as Tiffanie Lucas comes face-to-face with family for the first time since allegedly shooting and killing her 2 sons. Lucas arrived at the courtroom in handcuffs Tuesday as a detective from the Bullitt County Sheriff's Office testified. He told the court video from neighboring houses picked up 4 gunshots on November 8th.
The mom shot and killed both of her sons, ages 9 and 6. God bless them.
Four minutes after the gunshots stopped, Lucas is seen leaving her own home and walking toward her neighbors. That neighbor told police Lucas told them both her 6- and 9-year-old sons were dying. The neighbor then goes inside Lucas's home to find both boys shot. 9-year-old Jaden Howard and 6-year-old Maurice Baker Jr. were brought to the hospital but did not survive. During the 3-hour interview with police, Lucas allegedly says it was an accident. I'm in such a bad spot, and I'm so stupid. Lucas even telling police she was being manipulated through the internet.
She knows what she did because she's evil. She showed no emotion. She shows no emotion.
Domestic violence, it's always wrong, and it's not fair. So just don't do it.
Michelle Rice is Maurice Jr.'s stepmother. She says it was no accident, adding she's called Child Protective Services on multiple occasions to report abuse.
They never helped us. They never helped those boys. And we love them so much. So many other people really love them and could have been there to help them. But she wouldn't allow that. She was too selfish. God.
Lucas is currently being held on a $2 million bond.
She needs to get what she deserves.
When it comes to justice, family members tell us the only thing that seems fit is the death penalty. In Shepherdsville, Sean.
God bless the 2 boys, ages 9 and 6, and God bless their family. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.